You saw how emotional Brandon Staley was in that press conference right after the Kansas City game.
Yes.
He obviously has come out and he has said that he has felt guilt about it. You can tell that this is a coach that cares so much about his players, specifically his quarterback. You look at what number 10 is doing right now. If there is a lightning rod, no pun intended, that you can rally against week in and week out, look at your quarterback. That is what I would hope would be the message that I'm sure Brandon Staley is saying, that I'm sure Derwin James is saying, that I'm sure a lot of other guys in that locker room are saying. Hopefully nothing happens to where that further aggravates his current injury that he has right now.